Hello, everyone. Welcome to CyberNexus. Today, we're going to walk through the installation of VMware Pro 17. Let's dive right in. First things first, I'm opening up my web browser and searching for VMware download. Here we go. I'm scrolling down. I'm clicking on the download button, and the download process has begun. Now, before we continue, I've already got the setup file downloaded, so you can find the download link in the description below. Alright, now that we have the setup file, I'm going to open it up. And click on Next to kick off the installation process. I'm quickly accepting the license agreement by clicking on Next again. Wait for a while. An installation is done. You're all set up with VMware Pro 17. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to CyberNexus for more content on cybersecurity and networking. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next one.